Adding a lesson. Today we're going to start by building a basic lesson that travels in a linear fashion. To get started, go to your course, locate the topic where you'd like it to appear, and turn your editing on. Select Add an Activity or a Resource, and Lesson. Name your lesson. Because this is an activity, you can give students grades. One thing you would want to adjust is if you do not want to give students grades, select No Grade. The other thing I often look at is if I want students to be allowed to retake the lesson or go through it multiple times. Select Yes if you would. Save and return to course. The lesson shell will appear. Notice the edit button is there where you can always edit the title, move it right or left, move it up and down within the topic, update it, duplicate or delete it. Let's take a look at the inside of the lesson. Notice that there isn't any content. To begin with, let's add a content page. My first page is going to be called Basketball Player Positions. I'm going to paste some content into here for this page. Just like with all of the editing tools, I can add bullets or numbers, indent, highlight, change my text, bold, italicize, underline. I can also insert pictures. Remember, adding pictures, video, and hyperlinks to different resources is a great way to add interactivity to your lesson. When adding a picture, you'll want to include an image description. You can also adjust the appearance. You can change the alignment of the picture, the dimensions, and also the vertical and horizontal space between the picture and the text. Once you're done, go ahead and click Insert. At the bottom of the page of each lesson, you'll know that a button appears taking them to the next page. You'll want to add the name of that page there and jump to Next Page. Save your content. In Edit, the content for your lesson will appear like this. To add another page, select Add Content Page. Again, begin by typing the name of your page. And adding the content, such as text, pictures, links to other resources, videos, and much more. Adjust the appearance of any image that you add, and insert. Again, don't forget to add the content for the next page. Put the name of the page, and in the field next to Jump, indicate where you would like that button to go. In this case, the next page in the course. Save your page. You can now see that I have 2 pages of content added to my lesson. You will continue to do this for each page of content that you would like to put into your lesson. Once you've added the content for each of your pages, you'll want to preview it. Do this by selecting Preview. But wait, why is my last page appearing first? I'm at the end of the lesson. I want to view it from the beginning. No problem. Simply go back to Edit, and select the crosshairs of the page that you'd like to change. Once you've done this, you can move that page to where you'd like it to appear in the lesson. In this case, the center is the last page. I can do this for each of the pages in my lesson. If you're planning ahead, you may enter your content backwards so that you do not have to move the pages after you've put them together. Now that I've got my pages in the right order, let's preview it. Page 1. When I select Point Guard, that button takes me to the next page of the lesson. For more ideas on how to use a lesson and change the linear nature of it, be sure to view the enrichment activities.